Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix Facebook app keeps hanging error in red. Click settings. Click app management. Click app list. Click Facebook app. Click storage use. Click clear data. Then click OK. Click storage. Click clean. Then open Google Play Store. Then search Facebook app. Click Facebook app. If you get any update, please update. Thanks for watching.